Okay, y'all think this truck finna make a full pass? Pick the right lane. If not, pick the left lane if yeah. Let's see what he gonna do. He did a good burnout. Hey, when y'all, any of my people come from TikTok to my YouTube channel, y'all let me know so I can shout you out. Look out, look out. Yeah, I need my TikTokers on Lookout Racing. That's right. TikTokers on Lookout Racing. That'll work. Money Mary. Is that what her name is? Money Mary Garcia. Hey, girl. Tegan the GOAT just came from TikTok. Look out, Tegan. We got Crumbie Man from Cleveland, TikTok. Alex Cannon, what's up with it? Where you from, Alex? Got Alex Cannon in here. Oh, truck running. All right, y'all, we got Mexican Eric, just came from TikTok, y'all. No sound on YouTube. Yes, it is. Where is this drag strip? Dallas, Texas. It's Dallas. Key 46 say, thanks for the live. Hey, you on my YouTube channel, Key 46 and Nova 28?
He said, damn, bro, I almost had you.
Let me make sure Nova 28 and them over here. On guitar. Sean Clark just came from TikTok. What's up with it, Sean Clark? Breezy Performance Tuning up in here. Stupidins. Oh, that's Slime. What's up with it, Slime? I didn't know that was you. Dartha Medilo. Rumor Boys Racing. No, Rumper. We got Joshua Matheson. Okay. Joshua Matheson. Look out, look out. I'm gonna come up. Listen. I don't get no, I'm good. Huh? I ain't finna eat shit. I ate before I hang out the road. I got roast. I think I'm gonna go to get some corn. I got a big ass roast at home. Pot roast. I ain't eating it today, but some corn. Nah, somebody here got a lighter. Hey man, we need a lighter. What's up with my car? I got both of my cars. I'm here in the Caprice. That Mustang, I just ain't been able to get it right, man. Now it's shit. they taking the street car out of it, man. I don't feel comfortable driving it. I feel like I'm gonna break down. I drive it now. I done got. We got Rick just came from TikTok, y'all. What's up with it? Hey, you don't get tired. Yeah, I'm trying to get it ready, but Dealey give a fuck. Okay, we got Dealey gal. You got trash control on here? Oh yeah, that's it there. Is it? Yeah. Let me see. You on my YouTube channel, right? Here. Here you go. That way you can see it. Big. I got 6 jobs. Damn. Left lane gone. I be leaving these shops. Every shop I done left, it just seems like it get worse and worse. I leave with a new problem. I'm like, God damn. I just paid. I be thinking out of 3 shops, and I'm still having problems. God damn. What is they doing? Wanting top dollar. Everybody want. Yeah, if you want it done right, I can do it right. It's gonna cost you. Taxing like a motherfucker. I be having shit going on I don't even know. Yeah, your blower was loose. We tighten up your bolts, change your plugs, put new. Yeah, we changed your oil also. All black on the motherfucker. They be like, you should be ready to go, Bubba. Ready to go to another shop. Yeah, I don't want to pay no more, honestly. They making me buy a car here. Hey, I don't know when I'm going to Little River again. What does Dilly GAF stand for? Let me see. Aqua Jet Racing. I need to come to Texas to get your car fixed. Aqua Jet Racing, that shit sound good. JS Performance. I done got doing that one time. Had a person, yeah man, bring it to me. Brought it to him, got fucked again. I'm scared to take that motherfucker to anybody now. Shit, I'm out of money. I don't even trust their ass. Gab is all done, buddy. What about this?
It's just water.
Then you can't blast their ass. Don't use your freaking platform to... These are people's lives. They don't want you to bash them.
People don't get that. They don't understand that red light, do they? Look out.
Hell no.
They think they can just get up on that rev limiter and they're going to drop the tree.